Hi, my name is Harry Patience Davies, and I'm a storytelling coach. I'd like to talk to you about my number one rule for using data in a speech or presentation. Now, when I say data, I mean numbers, I mean charts, statistics, percentages, any sort of circumstance where we are trying to quantify something. My number one rule for using data is be really, really selective. If you fill your speech or presentation with numbers, then there's a greater than likely chance that people just aren't going to remember any of them. As a rule, only about 3 to 4% of the population are actually good at memorizing numbers. The rest of us, it just goes in one ear and out the other. So, if you want to use data in a meaningful way in your speeches and presentations, be very, very selective. What is the most important number that you want someone to remember? What's the most important number that you want them to repeat? You want them to share? Choose that number. Only talk about that number and repeat that number. The more numbers that you share, the greater the likelihood that your audience will remember none of them.